Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a brief review on the Jujube Hobobe, and this is in the Iconic 2.0. This is one of my favorite prints out of all of the Toki prints. Even though it's an older print, I do really like this one, and I gravitate towards the bright colors. I really like the way they match my stroller, so I've been sticking to this print for a little while now. So I'm going to jump right into it. On the outside of the bag, actually, before I get into that, I have attached a seatbelt strap that I got when I purchased the Hobobe. I'm not sure the name of the lady I got it off of. I got it off of the BST, but she did throw in the strap for me. I gotta say, I was really hoping I would like the strap more. I don't really feel like the color is flattering for the bag, but I thought I would try it. So with that being said, I am going to be switching it back to its original strap. I found it a lot more comfortable. I am looking for something shorter, so possibly I'm thinking if I could get like a seatbelt strap that was like this long, I would definitely switch back into something like that. But for the purpose of the video, I've just left it on, and I'll be switching it afterwards. So on this side of the bag, this is the bottle pocket. And I just have on the outside, I have a antibacterial, so a hand sanitizer. And then I just have one of these. Both my kids really love these. So I just always switch this to whatever bag I'm on. And this is a Fat Brain, I guess you could say it's a little keychain. But both the kids love it, so I can easily take it off and give it to them if they're fussy. And here I just have an iPhone. This is actually a 6S Plus. It's just a dummy phone that I'm using to show. Usually have my phone in that pocket there, and in this pocket here I just have a teether for my son, and this is just a little silicone carrot, so nothing in there, nothing else in there actually. And in the front, I guess you could say this is the mommy pocket. I don't have a whole lot, and I'm gonna switch to a top view so you guys can get a better look at the bag. Alright guys, so this is how the top of the bag looks, and I'm going to quickly go through how I have this packed for a day out with my 9-month-old. I'm going to start with the felt line pocket, which I love the size. I did notice that the newer ones, I don't have any of the newer Hobobes, but I did notice that they are a little bit shorter, and just for the purpose of the video, I just threw my phone in there so you can see how much space you really have in there, but typically I just carry a charger, my watch charger in there, or my phone charger, and I like to keep my phone in the outer pocket so I'm not digging around for it when it rings. And in the front mommy pocket, I don't have a whole lot. I just have a coin purse on the key leash with some coins in it, and then I just have some floss in there. I have a little cleansing wipe, deodorant cleansing wipe, and I believe I just have a chapstick. And that's it from there. I did also want to mention that there's this very large zippered pocket that runs almost the same length as the pocket on the outside, as a zipper on the outside, sorry. And I don't have anything in there, but it is a very nice size pocket. If you're into extra pockets and compartments, then this is the bag for you. Definitely has a lot of internal organization. And on the back pocket here, the outer back pocket, I just have my son's pacifier clip with a bibs pacifier in there. I don't really like to carry passy pods. I feel like they're fussy and they're always like, I don't know, I can't. And I just have a nursing pad there in case I have to stop to nurse. I always have to make sure the other boob is protected from leaks. And this is how the inside of the bag looks. This is how I have it packed up, guys. Not a whole lot going on. On the top of the bag, I just have a teether toy thrown in there for my son, and this one is from Fat Brain Toys, and it's really cool because you can suction it to almost any surface, and he loves it. It's silicone, so he loves putting it in his mouth, of course. And I have my mommy pouch, and in here I just have a whole bunch of cosmetics. in random mommy things. I do have a really big compact which fits in here perfectly. This is a Tom Ford bronzer, which is my current favorite. Just random mommy essentials for me, I guess. And in this mesh pocket here, I just have working hands because I have eczema, so I always carry some type of hand lotion, especially in these cold winter days. And on this other mesh pocket in front, I just have a Love Child fruit pouch for my son. I just have a little Be Neat, and it's also in the iconic print, guys. And then I also have a Y pouch mini, and I just have boogie wipes, but I use these really for his whole face. And there's a zipper pocket here. I actually have it open, but there's a little zipper pocket right there, which I love little concealed pockets. And in here, this is a custom pouch that I got done by, I believe her Instagram handle is Donatella's Sweatshop, and I'll link her below. And in here I just have it packed as a little first aid with some baby Advil and Band-Aids, Polysporin, stuff like that. And I have here a Herobility bottle, and here I just have water for my little guy. And then I have a small set piece, and I have this actually packed as a wallet. As you guys can see, I also, of course, I have to show you guys, I have the matching Be Charged. So I love it, and I actually got it with the bag as well. So I'm really happy that the seller made it a nice little bundle for me as well. So I just use this small set piece as my wallet for now. And at the bottom of the bag, so that's pretty much it. That's everything I have on these mesh pockets, zippered pocket, and these pockets here, and they're now empty. And then here, I just have a change of clothes for my son, socks, onesie, sleeper, and then I have a wet bag, and this one is in the Duchess print. And I'll just shove it back in there to keep some structure in the bag for the video. And in this long zippered pocket along the back, I have 2 size 4 Rascals and Friends diapers. Then I have my Y pouch 30, and then I have the Tote Savvy change pad. And over to this side here, I just have more antibacterial, and this is actually my favorite one. I got this one from Target. And on this side, I just have bum cream, and this is the Everyday Bum Balm is the one that I'm currently using. I find it works really well. I've been using it for both. So that's it, guys. That's all I have packed in here, and I'm just gonna pack her back up just to show you guys how quick and easy this can be, and pretty much effortless. Like, it's just such an easy bag in my opinion. And I like this because I can run into the store really quickly, and I don't feel like, you know, I'm carrying a full-size diaper bag. It's the perfect size for quick errands, for appointments. And for me, I always like having all of my essentials with me. I can't just run into the store with a child and my wallet because, guys, I've had blowouts happen at Walmart. So I always carry a spare change of clothes because I know my kids, right? And I guess when you know what to expect, you can be better prepared for those things. So that is pretty much it, guys. That's how she packs up. I think she's really nice, very easy to use, and very pretty as well. So if you guys like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you have any other requests of videos that you would like to see, please let me know, and I'll be more than happy to go out there and buy the bag and definitely review it for you. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.